Tired of drowning in organizational chaos? Let's transform your company structure into clear, professional visuals right in PowerPoint. First things first, open your PowerPoint presentation now. Navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. From the Illustrations group, you'll find your secret weapon SmartArt. Click on it. In the SmartArt graphics pane, select Hierarchy from the list on the left. This category is specifically designed for organizational charts and reporting structures. You'll see several pre-designed organizational chart layouts for a standard structure. The organization chart option is usually the best starting point. Click on it, and then click OK. Instantly, you have a basic framework. Now, let's populate it. Click directly on any text box within the chart to start typing a name or title. You can add more boxes or shapes to represent different roles with the SmartArt selected. A SmartArt Design tab appears on the ribbon. Click the Add Shape drop-down. Here, you can choose to add a shape after, before, above, or below the selected box, depending on your reporting lines. For example, to add a direct report, select Add Shape below. To show a subordinate or a different level of reporting, use Add Assistant or Add Hanging. Need to promote someone or change their reporting structure? Simply click and drag the shape to reposition it. PowerPoint automatically adjusts the connectors. Now for the polish. With the SmartArt still selected, go to the SmartArt Design tab again. Here, you can change the entire color scheme by clicking Change Colors. Explore the various SmartArt styles for quick 3D effects and bevels to give your chart depth and a professional look. To customize individual shapes, click on a shape, then go to the Format tab. You can change the fill color, shape outline, and even add text effects. The Layout drop-down on the SmartArt Design tab offers even more control, allowing you to change the overall layout of your existing data if the initial choice wasn't quite right. And that's it. You've just created a dynamic and informative organizational chart in PowerPoint, making your company structure crystal clear for everyone.